Hello and welcome to how to optimize lighting. Now, I've mentioned lighting in previous videos, and by all means check them out. I'll put links in the description so you can check out those in a lot more detail. But I want to show you a way to see and how you can find out if your map is optimized for lighting. So what you can do in your map is go to where it says lit in the viewport, go down to optimization view modes and click on light complexity. When you click on this, you'll see your whole map represented in the color spectrum here. So blue means it's not going to get any sort of lighting. It's totally free and cheap, really nice and easy. So in this map, this has been just lit mainly by the dynamic light, I assume. But then we have these 3-point lights also in this map, and you can see how the colors get warmer the more, or let's say less optimized they are. So if they're redder, that's not typically quite good. So what we can do here is we can see if we can change this to be more optimized. Now at the moment these are set to stationary lights. Now stationary lights are fine if you want them to be changing throughout the game. However, if they're not going to change whatsoever, change them all to static. So I change them all to static here, and then I'll click on build lighting and wait for that to go, and we should see some difference here in our light complexity model. So we'll just wait for that to finish, and we'll skip ahead. So as the lighting is ending, we should see now the color change, and now you can see it's all gone to blue. Now it's all gone to blue because point lights, when they're set to static lights and mobility, they are basically free for us to use. Static means it's going to be baked into the textures, and therefore you don't even need it point lights anymore. You can actually delete them. It will bake the shading into the texture, where stationary and movable lights don't. They have to remain in the level somehow, and that's where you get that complexity issue. So by changing them down to static, you can see how the light complexity has massively improved in this area, and we should get far better performance in this little area here. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more how-to videos, check out my patreon.com/RyanAiley. I've got more videos over there, all from just $1 a month. Big thank you to all my patrons and YouTube members for their continued support. Thank you again so much. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.